improve on this. So on analyzing that question, I realized that actually this girl knew everything to do with linear inequalities. Why? She was to do the first part, in compound inequalities, to do the first part and then do the second one. So the first part was negative 2x is less than or equal to 6. And she was able to extract that part to do the inequality. But then when she reached the bottom of that question, whereby now, negative 2x is less than 6, you need to simplify by dividing both sides by negative 2 and the other side by negative 2. She divided correctly, remained with x, and the 6 became a negative 3, which is correct. What else do you teach in mathematics? But the only mistake she did is she never reversed the inequality sign. So she carried, now she's already got the value for x, and then she went to solve the other part of the equation, which she did correctly. Everything was correct, but she had missed the 4 marks and got only 1 just because of that. So I decided to ask her, what is your feeling about linear inequality? Akaniambia, she told me, if I met a 10 marks question, I would not choose to answer the question on linear inequality because she feels she does not understand linear inequality. But you see, the only thing she had not understood was now the reversing the sign. Only that. Everything else about linear inequality, she knew. So, but now because the teacher had not highlighted what she had missed, she thought linear inequality is something complex, and if what she knew and she has done has not earned her marks, then she never understood the linear inequalities. I hope you're getting. And another example in the same paper of this girl, it was questions on the gradient of a straight line, where she was supposed to look for gradients. And actually there were 2 questions. There was a number 2 and number 4. They were from the same. And I noted one from the 2 questions. One was 3 marks, the other one was 4 marks. The working for this girl, in that the concept you need to know when you do the gradient of a straight line is to know to get the gradient and how to maybe use the 2 points to get the equation and all that. She knew, according to the working, this girl has understood everything. Actually, I took time to understand why she was wrong, only to realize that she had used the correct formula for getting gradient, which is change in y over change in x. But when she went to pick the points from now the question to calculate the gradient, instead of, she knew it, change in y is y2 minus y1. But when she went to pick y1, she picked the values for x. And it repeated itself in the other question 4. The same mistake, same mistake. In getting the gradient, she has the formula, change in y over change in x. But when she goes to the question to pick now the value, she picks y1, the value for x1. And now she had missed 7 marks because of one single concept. And then I asked her, what is your feeling about the questions of a straight line? She told me she does not understand, and she understands that it is going to be more on the same way in book 3 and in book 4. So she's already formed an attitude. Gradient of a straight line is very difficult, and she's not looking forward to the part of the syllabus that will be like furthering that concept. I hope you're getting me. So that's the discussion we end with the mathematics teacher who came in as I was advising them on how to improve in mathematics in the school. And then that is what now I thought about. Here's the time teachers are marking. I know there's pressure of time, there's no time and all that. But if the teacher were to change from just going through the papers to look for the correct answer and give the student the marks, but they concentrated more on now finding out what is that thing which made the student miss that mark. Hey, my cappuccino is getting good. Sorry for that. So if the teacher was to change from looking for answers to finding out why the student is wrong, this student will feel the confidence. Most of the time, the student has understood the concept halfway. Let me give you an example I had the other day with a chemistry paper. This one I met a teacher marking in our office, and I was like, let me see what you are marking. Only to land on a question the teacher had just marked, which was 2 marks. It was about structure and bonding. The question was asking the student to draw the formula of ammonium ion. So to draw the formula of ammonium ion, the student, the background they just need to know ammonium ion is made up of 1 nitrogen and 4 hydrogens. And then they need to know how electrons in the nitrogen, outermost energy level of nitrogen, are distributed. That out of the 5 electrons in the outermost energy level, there's 1 point where there are 2 electrons, and then there are 3 points where there's 1 electron. So when the hydrogens now come, the 3 points where there is 1 electron, an hydrogen goes in as an atom with 1 more electron. So they form the covalent bond. And then where there is the 2 electron, the hydrogen will go in as an ion. So there will be 3 covalent bond. Covalent bond is whereby the bond is made between an electron from nitrogen and an electron from hydrogen. So there will be 3 covalent bond, and that student had indicated the 3 covalent bond, and there will be 1 coordinate bond whereby the hydrogen comes with no electron, it takes the 2 electron from the nitrogen. And that was very clear in the question. And that is the match the student had drawn. They had drawn the circle, put the 1 electron, the double electron, and they had come and fixed hydrogens in all of them correctly. Now, this teacher had cancelled these students. Why? Because according to the teacher, the answer was, now the student should have put the curly bracket and put the positive sign on the right top, the right top of that, the curly bracket. And so I asked the teacher, seriously, out of these 2 marks, I know you only want to see the hydrogen, the ammonium ion, but can you see this student understood you in class? And I do ammonium, the student knows ammonium has 7, the 7 electrons in the nitrogen, but now we are talking of the outer energy level as the 5. The student knows how to put them. This student knows there's an hydrogen that will come in without an electron. So why don't you give them even 1? And the teacher was like, I want the answers. I don't want the process. But then learning is a process. This student had learned the process up to a certain point. So if they were to get 1 mark, actually to me that should even have been a 1.5. But even if you are to give 1, you see, this student will go back to the formation of ammonium ion and now find out what is the remaining. But now when you cancel everything, this student is like, everything is wrong. So they'll have an attitude that your structured bonding, they have no idea. But if you give them 1, because they have got something, imagine if you gave just somebody from anywhere on the street who has never been to a chemistry class that question. They will not even know what you are talking about ammonium ion. You have just written the one there, ammonium ion. You've not even given the formula of ammonium ion. So this student who has never been to a chemistry class cannot answer that question. But this one has been to class, and you can see some chemistry. The learning process of understanding the ammonium ion is taking place, only that they have not polished. I hope you're getting me. I just decided to share this because I know this can help a lot. Some of the students we have, they are forming attitude because of the way the papers are marked. In my book, the pathfinder to my target grade, I have talked much about how to identify. Is this section C that talks about identifying the monster, and it is about what is making students keep on deteriorating academically each and every year. They keep on going down. So in this book is one of the books I've explained how you can identify those weaknesses. Okay, the days I was a teacher, I may not have been the best